stay with me on this. It might sound childish and unprofessional for the start, but I think Go language is the best foundation and platform to program every software in the world. And I'm living in it from embedded system, robots, browsers, mobile devices, I don't know, machine learning, configuration even, like infrastructure as a code. And I mean it because I in my experience, I was working with many programming languages, Pascal, PHP, C++, Python. I mean, yeah, many, even niche ones like Smalltalk, Prolog. And the reason why I stayed and I kind of I have been working with Go, I don't know, maybe 7-8 years, and I still love it. I mean, there are many reasons already stated in Go times, so let's not repeat that. But the point I want to make is that it's very powerful to keep this Go language as a foundation to create more specialized tooling, right? And you can have a lot of benefits by just keeping, this foundation to inherit simplicity, reliability patterns, tooling, like for example, IDE integrations, documentation building, auto completion. Like some of it is that, for example, like JSON language for configuration. Maybe it's good, but I don't have hints when I kind of point my fields of this JSON. Nothing kind of hints me what the structure actually implements, and Golang already have that, right? So why not reusing this and building on the shoulders of giant? And I really mean that. And we have like we use configuration in my past job to build kind of configuration for infrastructure in Go, and it wasn't perfect because there are some features of the language that maybe are too much. You have for loops, you have error checking, and you have a little bit of boilerplate. But if you refine the language, maybe specialize a little bit, then it might just fit the use case just very well. Why we are creating a totally new languages from scratch like Q or JSONet if Go is so almost perfect, if a little bit is needed to perfection. And maybe last example, embedded systems I mentioned. Of course, garbage collection is not very efficient here. But there are already, implementations of manual, allocations. I think dgraph created like a special allocator, and there's even VLang, which also kind of removed GC but kept some of the features that Golang did. So we might have maybe a version of Go that has Rust-like memory ownership, and that would be amazing because we keep other features instead of kind of living with totally different decisions that Rust community made for other stuff that maybe I'm happy with. Right?